Welcome to another episode of Explained by AI. Today we're diving deep into something pretty cool. It's Alpha Quark Token, or AQT for short. It's making some serious waves, and we're going to break down exactly why.
Yeah, AQT is shaking up the world of intellectual property. We're talking about a market worth trillions.
Trillions.
And AQT is using blockchain tech to revolutionize how we think about IP.
It's pretty mind-blowing when you think about it. Like, we're talking about the potential to own a piece of a hit song, your favorite webtoon.
Even a classic anime series?
It's like opening up these opportunities that used to be for like a select few,
Yeah.
Only the big players.
Exactly. AQT is all about democratizing access.
And they're doing it with NFTs, which is really interesting to me.
NFTs make it so much easier to buy, sell, and trade IP, compared to those like old school methods.
Yeah, it's all about transparency, making things simpler.
And it's not just about owning a cool digital collectible. These NFTs can actually generate royalties.
So you're not just a fan anymore. You can actually share in the success of the things you love, the creative works that you're really passionate about.
Yeah, it's a whole new level of engagement.
And then you start thinking about the metaverse and how AQT NFTs could change the way we experience things.
Like, imagine going to a virtual concert and your NFT gives you access or even lets you connect with other fans who own pieces of the same IP.
It's like a whole community built around this shared ownership. But of course, with anything this valuable, security has to be a top priority.
Absolutely. AQT uses these things called smart contracts. They're like self-executing agreements on the blockchain. So every transaction is, trustworthy and transparent.
Right. No funny business.
And to make sure everything is super secure, they've undergone independent audits as well.
So it's not just them saying it's safe, it's been verified. And that's important when you think about the potential for growth with AQT.
Oh yeah, the potential is huge. AQT has a limited supply of 30 million tokens. And right now its market cap sits at 35.4 million. So as more people start to get what tokenized IP is all about, AQT is in a really good position.
It's exciting to think about. And it's not just about the money. AQT is creating a community, a way for fans to directly support creators.
It's about giving power back to the people.
And sharing in the success together. I love that.
Me too.
It's a really cool concept. And I'm really interested to see where it goes from here.
Yeah, me too.
It's going to be wild.
Definitely wild. Yeah, it really changes the whole dynamic. It's not just about listening to a song or watching a show anymore. It's about being part of it.
Right. It's like this whole idea of fans becoming fractional owners. It fascinates me. I mean, How do you think that changes? How people actually engage with the art?
Well, I think it could lead to a deeper sense of connection, like a stronger loyalty, maybe.
Yeah, like they have a stake in it.
Yeah.
It's not just something they consume.
Exactly. And they might be more likely to, spread the word.
Become evangelists?
Yeah, exactly. And maybe even participate in creative projects.
Help protect it.
Yeah, help protect the IP.
It's like a whole new level of involvement. And for creators, this direct link with their fan base.
Oh, yeah. The possibilities are endless.
It's like cutting out the middleman.
Exactly.
No more record labels.
Imagine a musician using AQT to, crowdfund their next album.
Or a filmmaker getting their fans involved in the whole development process.
It's about building a community.
It's a game changer.
It really is.
But with any new tech, especially something this disruptive, there are always challenges.
For sure.
The legal stuff around IP.
Yeah, it's a complex landscape.
Are constantly changing.
Yeah.
So how is AQT dealing with all that?
Well, they're not just ignoring it. They're being proactive.
Okay.
They're working with legal experts and regulatory bodies to make sure the platform is, compliant and sustainable.
That's good to hear, because you don't want something this promising
Yeah.
to get bogged down by legal issues.
Nope.
But what about speculation?
Nope.
NFTs have had their ups and downs.
They have.
And there's always the risk of manipulation.
True.
So how is AQT addressing that?
Transparency and education.
Okay.
They're committed to providing information, clear and comprehensive information about the IP, about their tokenomics, the market dynamics.
They're not hiding anything.
Nope. And they're also educating users about responsible investing.
So they're not just hiking it up.
They want people to make informed decisions.
That's really important.
It is.
So it sounds like AQT is trying to find that balance between innovation and, responsible development.
Yeah, they're playing a long game.
Not just chasing quick profits.
It's about building a sustainable ecosystem.
Which is good to see. because this could really change
It
things.
has the potential.
So what's next for AQT? What's on their roadmap?
Oh, they've got big plans. They're constantly working on the marketplace, expanding into new IP categories.
Like what?
Well, we might see AQT-backed NFTs for patents,
Carrie?
trademarks, maybe even scientific discoveries.
Wow. The possibilities are pretty mind-blowing.
They are.
And they're exploring integration with the metaverse.
For integration.
It's all connected.
It is.
They're even looking at decentralized finance.
DeFi.
DeFi, I've heard that term,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't really understand it.
Mm-hmm.
Can you break that down for me and how
Yeah.
it could impact AQT?
Sure. So DeFi is all about, like, creating these financial services, but on the blockchain, decentralized.
Okay.
So with AQT, we could see things like fractionalized ownership of royalties.
So instead of like one person owning all the royalties?
Exactly. You could have like a bunch of people owning a tiny piece each.
Interesting.
And then there's IP-backed loans.
So you could use your IP as collateral?
Yeah, basically.
Wow.
And even decentralized insurance for creative works.
So if your song gets like infringed upon,
You're covered.
that's amazing. It's like a whole new world of possibilities.
It is.
AQT is really pushing the boundaries here.
They are.
It's not just about buying and selling anymore.
It's about empowering creators and giving fans a real stake in the things they love.
It's about building a better future for IP.
Exactly.
It's been an awesome deep dive.
It has.
I've learned so much about AQT,
Me too.
and I'm really excited to see what they do next. So if any of you listening have a topic you'd like us to explain, drop it in the comments, and we'll see you next time.